Welcome! In this video I'll be explaining how to record your electric guitar on your Mac in under 3 minutes. Let's go! Alright, so first things first. To be able to record your guitar on your Mac, you will need these items. A Mac computer, an audio interface, a guitar cable, a USB cable, and of course a guitar. For this video, I'll be using the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 USB audio interface. It's an excellent little device and setting it up is super easy. Just plug in the USB cable, go into your system preferences and then sound and click input. Select the Scarlett 2i2 and you're done. The Scarlett has two connectors, which is great for recording, for example, vocals and guitar at the same time. The Scarlett costs around $150 in the US or 130 euros if you live in Europe. There are also some cheaper alternatives on the market, but I couldn't really recommend them because I don't have any experience with any of them. It supports XLR cables from your mic and the standard 6.3mm jack from your guitar, all on the same port. So go ahead and plug in your instrument. Alright, now that we have all the equipment in place, we need some software to record the instrument. Luckily, all modern Macs come with GarageBand for free, so let's start up GarageBand. Then you select New Project and Empty Project. And make sure your Scarlett interface is connected. Then you select the input you connected your instrument to. In this case, it's the left input, so it's input number 1. Alright, make sure you have input monitoring on and voila! Alright, that sounds kinda shit, but luckily GarageBand has all these pre-installed amps to make it sound more metal! Alright, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll see you soon.